Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. The FaceApp comes with a library of preset backgrounds, from tropical breezes to urban skylines to abstract art. Watch if you have your own image in mind, maybe a specific vacation photo, a branded backdrop, or just a picture you basically love. So the good news is FaceApp lets you upload your own custom backgrounds. According to the official updates notes, the app added an ability to search for a custom background in web, meaning you can find and use any image you want right from within the app. So in this guide, I will show you how to upload and use custom backgrounds to completely transform your selfies. So let's get straight into it. First and first, we want to access the background tools. So for example, open your selfie in FaceApp, tap the background icon in the bottom toolbar. This opens the background library with all the preset options. Then find the upload or web search option. So usually you will look for an upload button or a plus icon or even a web search option. According to the official features list, FaceApp now includes the ability to search for a custom background in web. This means you can either upload an image from your camera roll or search for one online directly in the app. Then you can easily select your custom image, tap upload and navigate your camera roll to select the background image you want to use. Make sure the image has good resolution. A blurry background will make your final photo look low quality. If you are using the web search feature, type in keywords like sunset beach or brick wall to find a backdrop. Then adjust the cutout if needed. Once you have imported your custom background, FaceApp will place your face cutout on top of it. So if the edges look rough, go back to the mask or even the refine tool to make it look perfect. So that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.